Today we will discuss about place value chart and expanded form of decimal numbers. For whole number, the place value chart we already know that for whole number the place values, the places, different places are ones, O for ones, T for tens, H for hundred, TH for thousand, TTH for 10,000 and so on. Now, in decimal number, with this chart we will add some more columns. Here will be, after one place on the right side, there will be a place of decimal. Then after decimal, the place that come, that is tenth. After tenth, the place will come hundredth. And after hundredth, there is 10,000th. Sorry, thousandth. And after thousandth, there will be a place of 10,000th. So, the place value chart for decimal number, this contains 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. As for whole numbers, these are this part for whole numbers. And then there is a place for decimal or point, and after decimal or point there are some places tenth, hundredth, thousandth and 10,000th. These are for fractional part and decimal part. Fractional or decimal part, these part are for fractional or decimal part. Now note down that tenth in fractional or decimal part means 1 by 10, hundredth means 1 by 100, thousandth means 1 by 1000 and 10,000 means 1 by 10,000. These are the values of this place, whereas you know well that the place value for 1 place value is 1, 10 place value is 10, 100 place value is 100, 1000 place value is 1000, 10,000 place is 10,000 and so on. Now, so this is the place value chart. Now, what is the application of this place value chart? We can put any decimal number in this place value chart and take out the place values of digit that present in the decimal number. Suppose the decimal number is, I am writing here the number that side. Suppose the number is 0.57. Then how can we put this number in the place value chart? Decimal or point will be at the decimal place first here. On the left side of the decimal part, there is 0 at one place. On the right side, there is 5 and then 7. 5 is at 10th place and then 7 at 100th place. Suppose the number is 30.208. How can we put? First we will put the decimal at the decimal place. Now on the left side of decimal there is 0 at one place, and on the left side of 0 there is 3 at the 10 place. On the right side of decimal there is 2 at 10th place, 0 at 100th place and 8 at 1000th place. So this number become 30.208. That means 2/10th, 0/100th, 8,000th. Now suppose we have to find the place values of each of the digit of the number. I am talking about this number. We have to find the place values of each of the digit. So what is the place value? Place value of first this 3. See the place, what is the place? It is a 10 place. So its value become 30, 3030. Place value of 0, first this 0. Place value of this 0 is 0. 0 ones means 0. Next is 2. What is the place value of 2? Place value of 2. 2 is at 10th place and the value of the place is 1/10. That is, place value of 2 is 2/10, or in decimal we can write 0.2. After point there is 2, all the remaining digits 0. So 0.2. Similarly, place value of 0. Place value of 0 is at 100th place, but 0 multiply 100th means 0. So simply 0. Place value of 8. What is the position of 8? It is at 1000th place. So 8/1000, or according to this position decimal 008. So in decimal it will be decimal 008. You can put a 0 before decimal. So 0.008. This is the place value for 8. So in this way, from the place value chart we can find out the place values of the digit in the decimal number. Now suppose we have to find the place value of the underlying digit, okay, and I am taking the number. Suppose one number I am taking 10.391 and number 2 I am taking 0.1235, this 5, okay, and here is this 3. So for first one number, the place value of 3 we have to find. The place value of 3. See, after decimal there is 3, so just 0 point and then 3. 3 is at 10th place, so 0.3. For number 2, the place value of 5. The place value of 5. See the position of 5 here is after decimal 1, 2, 3 digit and then 5. 5 is at 10,000th place. So 0.0005. 0005. So the place value of 5 become this one. So in this way we can find the place value of the digit present in a decimal number. Okay. Now we are passing to the next topic, which is expanded form. Expanded form of a decimal number. Expanded form. What is the expanded form? In expanded form we will write the decimal number as a sum of the place values of the digit present in the number. Suppose the decimal number is 3.785. Okay, we have to write the place expanded form of the number. So see the position of the each of the digit here. here it is in decimal place, this is in 10th place, 8 is at 100th place, 8 is at 100th place and 5 is at 1000th place, okay, and 3 is at 1th place. So the place value of 3 is 3, then plus 7 is at 10th place, that means 3 by 10 its place value in fractional form, plus 8 is at 100th place, that means 8 by 100, plus 5 is at 1000th place, so 5 by 1000. This is an expanded form of the number in fraction. There is another expanded form of the number in decimal. How? The same number 3 plus, sorry, there was 7, so that should be 7 by 10, 7, okay, 7 tenth, so 7 by 10. There was 7 at 10th place, that means after decimal there is 7, so 0.7 plus there is 8 at 100th place, 8 by 100, so 0.08 plus 5 by 1000 at 1000 place, this will be 0.005. So this become the expanded form of this number 3.785. Let me give another example of expanded form of a number. Suppose the number is 325.081. Okay, so let us first write this is the expanded form in decimal. First we will write this number in expanded form in fraction. So this is the 10th, 100th, and 1 is at 1000th, 5 at 1 place, 2 at 10th place, 3 is at 100 place. So first 3 at 100 place, so 300 plus 210 means 20 plus 5 ones means 5 plus 0 tenth, so simply it will be 0, we can write 0 or not write 0, no problem. 8 is at 100th place, so that means 8 by 100 plus 1 is at 1000th place, so 1 by 1000. So this is an expanded form of the number in fraction. Okay. Now there is another expanded form of the number in decimal. How can we write? This whole number will remain same, 3 at 100 place, so 300 plus 2 at 10 place, to 20 plus 5 at 1's place, so it becomes 5 plus 0 at 10th place, it simply 0 or don't write 0. Now 8 at 100th place, so 0.08 plus 1 at 1000th place, so 0.001. This is the expanded form in decimal. Okay. So this is the expanded form of a decimal number in fraction and decimal both. Now if a number is given already in a decimal expanded form or fractional expanded form, we can write the actual number, the decimal actual number what was. Suppose the form is 6 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Okay. So for this one make the place value chart. Suppose decimal point 1, 10, 100, 1000 and so on, for whole number parts, and fractional part there will be tenth, then hundredth, then thousandth, in this way. Now put the decimal, we will put the place according to their place value in the place of this place value chart. First 6 whole number is at one place. Next 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 it is at 10th place 2. Certainly there will be decimal at the decimal place. So 6.2. Now 5 by 100 means 5 will come at 100th place. In 100th place 5. 7 by 1000, so 7 will come at 1000th place. In 1000th place 7. So the number becomes 6.257. So we can write this number equal to 6.257. Let me give another example. Suppose the number is the number in expanded form is 50 plus 3 plus 5 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. This is the number 50 plus 3 plus 5 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. We have to write the actual number, write the actual decimal number. So according to the values of the numbers here, we will put it the digit in the place value chart. 50 means 5 will come at 10th place. Okay, 3 ones place. 5 by 100. So in 100th place there will be 5. 100th place 5. 2 by 1000. So in 1000th place there will be 2. Okay, 10th place vacant, put here 0. And the decimal should be here at the decimal place. So the number becomes 53.052. Number is 53.052. So this becomes the actual number in decimal, from expanded form to decimal number. So in this way we can convert this also. So this was the total topic for today. In next class I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.